Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and here I will help you get out of your iPhone stuck or frozen, unresponsive home screen. So, let's follow me on how to do it with your iPhone without removing any of the data stored on your iPhone. If your iPhone screen is unresponsive and stuck, not responding to open the apps, even if it won't respond to power off, try to force restart your iPhone. So, in this procedure, we use 3 buttons: volume up and down button and side power button. First, press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Now only, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. It will take around 5 to 7 seconds. Ensure you continue holding the side button until you see the Apple logo. A lot of people don't do that. Finally, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to see the lock screen. You can also repeat this process a second time if you are not able to do in the right way. This solution helped me to fix the issue of a stuck or frozen iPhone. This generally happens when your iPhone processor is too busy, getting too hot during video recording, gaming, or hyper-off-running app running. After restarting, I recommend keeping your iPhone 5 to 10 minutes alone. Hope you also get fixed with this solution. But still, if your iPhone is stuck or frozen, follow another method or contact Apple support. Find more details in the top I button video card. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to catch up on more tips and tricks videos.